History of the Richat Structure, Mauritania, Eye of the Sahara. Introduction. The Richat Structure, commonly known as the Eye of the Sahara, is one of the most intriguing geological formations on Earth. Located in the vast desert plains of Mauritania, this circular feature spans approximately 40 kilometers, 25 miles, in diameter and is visible from space. Initially believed to be an impact crater due to its ring-like shape, further scientific research has confirmed it to be a deeply eroded geological dome. However, beyond its geological significance, the Richat Structure has long fascinated historians, archaeologists, and researchers who have speculated about its connections to ancient civilizations and myths, including the fabled lost city of Atlantis. This detailed exploration of the Richat Structure's history traces its origins from ancient times, analyzing its geological formation, the possible human settlements around it, historical interpretations, and modern discoveries. We will also discuss its relevance in the broader scope of history and conclude with its significance in contemporary studies. Formation and geological history. The origins of the Richat Structure date back hundreds of millions of years. Scientific studies suggest that the formation of the structure began during the late Proterozoic era, over 600 million years ago, when tectonic activities and magmatic intrusions shaped the region. Over time, various natural processes, including erosion, uplift, and sedimentary deposition, led to the development of the unique circular pattern we see today. Geologists classify the Richat Structure as a domed anticline, a geological formation where older rock layers are pushed upward, forming a circular pattern due to erosion. The different rings within the structure are composed of layers of limestone, sandstone, and volcanic rock, which have been gradually exposed due to natural weathering. Some scientists believe that the structure was formed through a combination of volcanic activity, hydrothermal processes, and erosional forces over millions of years. Although initially mistaken for an asteroid impact site, no evidence of shocked quartz or other impact-related materials has been found, ruling out the possibility of a meteorite origin. Ancient times and early human settlements. Prehistoric occupation. The Sahara was not always a desert. During the Holocene epoch, approximately 10,000 years ago, it experienced a humid period known as the African Humid Period. During this time, the region around the Richat Structure would have been fertile, with rivers, lakes, and lush vegetation. Archaeological evidence suggests that early human populations may have inhabited areas near the structure, taking advantage of the more hospitable climate. Stone tools and other remnants of early human activity have been discovered in nearby areas, indicating that ancient civilizations may have utilized this region as a settlement or a landmark for navigation. Links to ancient mythology. One of the most captivating theories about the Richat Structure is its possible connection to the legendary lost city of Atlantis. This theory gained traction after some researchers noted the resemblance between Plato's description of Atlantis and the circular rings of the Richat Structure. Plato, in his dialogues Timaeus and Critias, described Atlantis as a city with concentric rings of land and water, advanced infrastructure, and a powerful civilization that disappeared under mysterious circumstances. While there is no concrete archaeological evidence to confirm this claim, the similarities have sparked ongoing debates among historians, explorers, and enthusiasts who speculate that an ancient, now-lost civilization may have once thrived near the Richat Structure. Historical accounts and references. Throughout history, the Sahara region has been home to various civilizations and trade routes, including the Berbers, the Garamantes, and later the Trans-Saharan trade networks. Although there are no direct historical records referencing the Richat Structure, it is possible that ancient traders and nomadic tribes used it as a navigational landmark due to its distinct appearance. Early European explorers and Arab geographers who mapped parts of Africa during medieval times did not specifically mention the Richat Structure, but references to peculiar landforms and desert landmarks exist in historical texts. Some scholars argue that oral traditions from indigenous Saharan tribes may hold untapped knowledge about the region's past. Modern discoveries and scientific studies. The Richat structure remained relatively unknown to the broader scientific community until the advent of satellite imagery in the 20th century. When astronauts aboard NASA's Gemini and Apollo missions observed the formation from space, they were struck by its nearly perfect circular shape. Since then, numerous geological surveys and expeditions have been conducted to understand its composition and origin. Advancements in remote sensing technology and geological mapping have provided valuable insights into the structure's composition. Studies suggest that the various layers within the rings correspond to different geological periods, shedding light on the Earth's ancient past. Significance in contemporary research. Today, the Richat structure serves as an important site for geological and archaeological research. Scientists continue to study its formation to gain a deeper understanding of Earth's geodynamic processes. The site has also become a point of interest for alternative historians, researchers exploring ancient civilizations, and those fascinated by unexplained historical mysteries. Additionally, the Richat structure has gained popularity among travelers and adventure seekers who are drawn to its remote and enigmatic beauty. Though difficult to access, it has become a unique destination for those interested in geology and history. Conclusion. The Richat structure, or the Eye of the Sahara, stands as one of the most remarkable natural formations on Earth. While its geological origins have been largely explained, its historical and mythical significance continues to spark curiosity. Whether viewed as a geological wonder, an ancient landmark, or a potential remnant of a lost civilization, the Richat structure remains an enduring symbol of Earth's dynamic history. From its formation millions of years ago to its role in ancient human activity and modern exploration, the Richat structure is a testament to the planet's ever-changing landscape. As research continues, we may yet uncover more secrets hidden within its rings, further bridging the gap between history, science, and human curiosity.